Rose.
Huh? Yeah. Big scheme, baby.
Yeah, it's gonna be a quick video on the Cobra Patriot 380. It's a nice little gun. I like it. It's Cobra 380. If I can focus in on it, get out the shadows. See the barrel been polished. Got the Cobra 380 on the side. Pretty clean. Yep, pretty clean. Loaded. Yeah, I'll take it apart. Just a second. Yeah, this is Cobra 380. Do a safety check. Feed ramp polish. Nothing in the mag. See if I can take it loose one-handed. Like I said, the barrel been polished. Trying to focus in on this. Polymer gun. Pretty nice. Kinda remind me of LC9. Got a 10-round mag. Well, you see I got full metal jacket and power balls in there. Come for two of those. Gun runs about $260. Maybe a little more, maybe a little less, depending on where you get it at. Yeah, but this is a Patriot 380. Like I said, it's one of the new guns. It's supposed to be made by Cobra. Shoot pretty nice. I got the gun for a steal. I got it for $50. So I can't be mad. Well, this big dough. Doing a video on this Patriot. About the first one I've seen on YouTube. Keep shooting. Holla later.
Huh? Yeah. Big scheme, baby.